Unlock the secrets of perfect exposure and take full creative control of your Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera. Today, we're demystifying the exposure triangle: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. These three pillars work together to determine how bright or dark your image will be. First, aperture. Think of it as the pupil of your camera's lens. A smaller number, like f/28, means a wider opening, letting in more light and creating that beautiful blurry background. Also known as shallow depth of field. A larger number, like f/16, means a smaller opening, less light, and more of your scene in focus. Next, shutter speed. This is how long your camera's sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed, say 1/1000th of a second, freezes motion, perfect for sports or fast-moving subjects. A slow shutter speed, like 1/30th of a second, lets in more light and can create motion blur. Great for artistic shots of waterfalls or city lights. Finally, ISO. This refers to your camera sensor's sensitivity to light. A lower ISO, like 100, produces less noise and higher quality images, ideal in bright conditions. A higher ISO, like 3200, increases sensitivity, allowing you to shoot in low light. But be mindful of increased digital noise or grain. The magic happens when you balance these three. If your image is too dark, you can increase your aperture, slow your shutter speed, or raise your ISO. Conversely, if it's too bright, you do the opposite. Practice adjusting these settings individually and observing their effects. Start in aperture priority mode, then shutter priority, and finally, manual. Master this triangle, and you'll gain full creative control over your images, capturing stunning shots in any lighting condition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more photography tips.